Hello everybody, we have something out here this day. It's called Automobile AI. It's a configuration that actually is bring about cars, autos. When we mean autos, we mean cars with trains, ships, and airplanes. All this uses the auto systems like the turbines in terms of ships, and also the engine in terms of cars, buses in terms of cars, lorries and trucks in terms of cars, in terms of auto engines itself. And we also had something actually that spelled out in some of the creations actually, like we had at the top here, my autobahn, my car, my jet. You can fix your jet here, and you can travel with your jet here with a special route, my autobahn or my jet en route. You can get your train from here to your train, and you get into the Halo station, and then you can get your trip to your destination through your train. We also have my ship AI. That's actually really beautiful. We have RAM iCloud. RAM iCloud is a place that you need actually to keep this actually deeping. And we have Live AI. All this is beautiful because we know something about it, that we have the Major AI. The Major AI is actually holding all the parts together and fixing them actually right. And then we have something else spec here. This is actually called the pathway. The pathway is an engine, definitely more an engine, more a digital engine, definitely, that tends to project and get a feedback from the future. A feedback from the future, and a feedback from the future, and also from the past too. You can also get some things about from the past. That's all about eye perception. And we have quality out there. We have low, mid, and high. We have high design there. We have browns. We have diagnostics in case your car is bad. You can actually diagnose it and get something out real. The cars we're going to make definitely are scale cars. I developed scale cars about some time ago, about some period ago. I also developed Tokumbo AI, and now we have XXL scale SUV AI, and the kind of engines you want. You might have some other engines, some other transmissions AI, and some other car body AI. Well, you can fuse them together with this system, the Mesh Cloud systems, where you have an auto AI in your perceptions, in the auto to tray and more in your perceptions. You can mesh cloud them to form a car that you love. For example, I don't want to call names. You may have scale tires, you might have scale body, but you might have Tokumbo engines, you might have SS scale SUV kind of tire, Stephen, Bogo tire, Stephen, that looks real good. And then we have what is called the MSP. We have Auto Brown one. Then we'll tend to have all the cars here that we want to mesh it cloud together. Just get a car and get the modular code here, and make more here, like 4 or 5, and then click the AI here. This all with Mesh Cloud, and give you something really real. We have AI here. AI here is actually beautiful. You have AI eating the shape. These are core engines, definitely regulating things actually right. We have the eye perception button, the record button are actually spelled out here. We have rewind here, which is stipulated as the red one. We have the gray or the dark or the dark brown or light brown there for stop. You have to play the green. We have the red actually spread out here. That's the record, and we have the fast forward. So you can go into the past definitely and get a car out there, and go into the future and have a car out there. And then you can have stop there. You can have record there. Maybe recording a scene, a kind of a car scene definitely, like the New York car scene or the California car scene where you see the cars buggling up, going up. Yeah, I'm not talking about twerking. It's just like actually moving right. And then we have something outspec here, and this is the loop function. It loops your cars all through the day. Keep your cars really good without being damaged. You don't have, when you keep loop there, it holds down the diagnostic definitely. So it's always looping. And if you keep looping here, you might pay some money definitely. because if you keep looping here, the AI will pop out IP. And that IP will mean you don't have to use fuel anymore, oil anymore. Oil will be coming into the car. It will be using the same oil through an instance mode, definitely. So the AI here gives IP conditions. And we have the automobile AI. You just type something like what I want about from the car, definitely. I want a speedy car like a Ferrari. I want something actually that looks really beautiful like a Jeep. You know the Jeep, the American Jeep. You can actually get something like that. Let me say a fusion of the American Jeep and a scale car. But I don't want to talk about the American Jeep for now, but I want to talk about the fusion of the scale car and the Tocumbo. And the XS scale, engine, SUV, you just merge them together and have something real. We have here, this is the color. You just go there and drag and drop into these places here the car parts that you want or the kind of cars that you want, and then you create a new car. You have the motherboard, DRAM, CPU, DWL, digital body, instant image streaming. All this work together for you to create a car. It's all beautiful. I know you know this from other things I drew. You must have heard something like the Autobahn AI. I did so many things like this and that. So we're actually moving forward. Beautiful. We have design here, brown here, and diagnostic. Beautiful. Good day. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. With this, you can just, with this spelled out in your pad, you get out of the house, type the car that you want, and you create the car, and the car will be actually at your front, and you can drive. Bye-bye. I'm your professor, Professor Dr. ALIYO MOMOT. Get into the vibe and understand some things about modular interaction. It's real. Bye-bye.